Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be diving down into the newly APE coin. You heard that correct. So we're talking about the thing that came from the Basic NFT collection, which is the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection. This is a hot cryptocurrency that we really need to keep our eyes on. Not only just by what they represent, but recently there was some massive news coming from the Bored Ape Yacht Club about land, about selling land in the metaverse, which means that if you're wanting to buy this land, that you have to use APECOIN. So today we're going to go ahead and dive down into the price action. We're going to be talking about what we could possibly expect. I'll tell you guys right now, with the cryptocurrency, the way that it's looking, and considering that it recently just started trading, technical analysis might be a little bit hard, but I would give you the best I got. So diving right into it, you guys, whenever it comes to APECOIN, you guys can see that we do have a strong sloping support. And what does that mean? Well, we are validating a uptrend. Technically, as long as we remain above this sloping support, we are considered bullish. Now, we are on the 1 hour time frame. I want to go ahead and make that very clear. Now, we did have a short-term sloping support to help us verify our uptrend. However, we recently just kind of dropped straight through it. We even broke below our 200 EMA. Remember, this is on a 1 hour time frame. So the Bored Ape Yacht Club, their coin known as APECOIN, has technically been breaking to the downside. Now, you guys, it's okay in my own personal opinion. We ran up and we hit a high right up here around $28. I mean, we had a nasty drop right when this thing started. It bottomed out way down here at like $6. So it's good to see that this thing has been moving pretty strong. All right. So the next question is what is our key level areas? Well, let's go ahead and see what we can find. The first area I'm going to be calling out is probably going to be right here, which is probably going to be about $13. Now, this is my own personal opinion. You're probably thinking, why $13? Well, if we take a look here, there's a key level support here, support resistance here, support resistance here, support resistance here, and support here. So $13 is a key level area. Not only that, you guys, it represents part of the sloping support. Now, if we go ahead and continue, you guys will see that there was a lot of support resistance here as well, which is technically around $14.50. That is another key level area. I mean, get a look at this, guys, right? Resistance, 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 and played as a support. So $14.50 is a key level area. So let's figure out where we are at this current moment. So whenever it comes to APECOIN, you guys can see it looks like there's a strong support that should be around exactly, and I mean exactly, around $16. So if we go right here, it looks like there's a little support here, and we have already back tested it at this current moment. So whenever it comes to APECOIN, guys, $16 is going to be a key level area. We do have a short-term sloping resistance. I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. So we have a short-term sloping resistance that obviously is affecting the overall price action, right? You can see that right here. So whenever the price action can happen to break back above the sloping resistance, then we will become bullish. So we have to get a breakout back above that key level area. And I'm probably going to say around 1750 is probably going to be our horizontal resistance that we really want to break past. And the reason we want to break past that is because, look, played as a resistance here and support here. So once we get past that, you guys, then 1750 is going to give us a great opportunity to once again to become bullish. Now, the 200 EMA here on a 30-minute time frame, it is pointing to the downside, which is normally considered bearish, right? So whenever it comes to the APECOIN, I think there's a good possibility that what we'll probably do is try to consolidate, which means we'll probably try and trade sideways so we can create a floor. And then hopefully we can continue to the upside. That is what I would like to see whenever it comes to APECOIN. Overall trend here, still bullish. And that's what's important. Okay. Now, if we go ahead and clear up the drawings, we will take a look at the Fibonacci levels really quick. So we're going to go from a swing low to a swing high, and we will see where we are. So going from all the way down here, like $4 and a high up here at 28, you guys can see we're hitting right at the 5-0. We're actually hitting right at the bullish zone. Not only that, you guys, but on the 2 hour time frame, we're actually hitting the 200 EMA. So there's a good opportunity that APECOIN could look for a bounce in this area as stated, and there's a good possibility we could look for a nice consolidation. So you're probably thinking, what's consolidation? Well, we just kind of want to trade sideways and then boom, continue up. That is what we would like to see whenever it comes to APECOIN. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, big question of the day is, are you bullish or are you bearish? We might expect a little move further to the downside, right? We've had a nasty sell-off, but I'm going to expect that APECOIN will continue to create higher lows long term and will probably continue up. So leave some comments down below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? So thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a wonderful day. We will see you in the next video, and ciao.